What's going on, everybody? Rob here, Trev2323. Subscribe, like, and share. Please, 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 at least give me one play button. Either way, I'm here because what's really good about having a family member with an overgrown snail tank is that you get free snails. Look at these. Let me see if I can zoom in on them. Look at that. Uh-oh, lost focus. These are just regular snails, but they populate so much. So much. But here's one good thing about it. Look at all that. Is we had pea pod puffers. Freshwater pea pod puffers. And freshwater pea pod puffers love eating snails. Now, I put tons. I put about 3 cups like this in the tank still. And one snail survived, and it went inside the up tube of the water, and that's the only one that survived. But I have not seen any babies from that one snail, so we're gonna go put these in the tank for the pea pod puffers right now. Also, quick note, if your tank is overpopulated with snails like this, you can actually put assassin snails in there. They're called assassin snails, and they eat these snails, and then they'll get rid of the the snails in your tank. Now this right here, I do have to clean this tank because the glass is filthy from the LED light. So, I don't know if you can see the glass that filthy. Bring it close. See, it's filthy from the LED light. But like it says, I love how that plant is growing in the back. Okay, so we're gonna put some of the snails in right now. And there's one. Look at, he went right towards it. He's gonna bite the head off. That's what they normally do. See? I got him. See? Another one. See? Got him. Got him. Got him. There's he. And then by the next day, they go ahead and eat the, see? They love eating snails. They wait till the snails stick their head out. Then they bite it off. You see all the snails that are in there? They kind of really have no chance. We actually tried to overpopulate snails in this tank so we didn't have to feed them. And it didn't work out because they ate all the snails. He pulled it all the way out. You see him? He pulled that one all the way out. I gotta clean this algae off this tank. See, got him that fast. See him? If these ones were raised in captivity, I have no idea how they know that these are snails and they like eating them. And like I said, we tried overpopulating this tank with snails, and they keep the population down. They eat all the snails. There's 7 pea pods in here right now. And you see there was no other snails in there because they eat the shell and everything. I don't know where the shell dissolves by itself. I have no idea. But there's 7 of them in there. This little guy right here. My wife's feeding the rest of the fish right now. There's a queer right there with the Noranda. This is a 125. She feeds them regular pond pellets with koi vibrance. Well, this is squishy. I don't know if she fed squishy yet. Either way, thanks for watching. That's the pea pods eating snails. Subscribe, like, and share.